Senior Vice President at Fenimore Asset Management.
And I'm Bill McCartan, Senior Director at Fenimore Asset Management.
Today we are in Cooperstown, New York at the Doubleday Field to speak to you about baseball and investing. While it might not be obvious that there are many parallels between the two, we believe that the conditioning and training that the Baseball Hall of Famers have to put in order to be inducted to the Hall of Fame, which is just down the street, is important to investing too. We think about our analysts using their experience and training to build portfolios with active management so that they can put quality equities into our strategies that will build long-term results, thinking about quality first and foremost. Bill, why don't you tell us a little bit about how we are different?
And it comes down to consistency and continuity. Since our founding in 1974, Fenimore has sought to invest in high-quality businesses with strong financials, proven leadership teams, and always buying with a margin of safety. This is an enduring and repeatable process which has been proven over numerous market cycles. And how do we invest?
Great question, Bill. We invest one company at a time. And the reason for this is because our founder grew up alongside of a small, successful business, and he established an investment process that was built for the long term. Thinking about equities similarly to the way that a team builds all-stars. We look for quality value in our holdings by taking our active research and building proprietary models. Think of our analysts as statisticians. They're the ones tracking the at-bats, the base hits, and the RBIs, putting that all together in a spreadsheet and making sure that the equities we choose for high active share, tax efficiency, low risk are going to provide the risk and reward profile that's important to you and us as we invest alongside of you. Bill, could you share with us Fenimore's definition of quality?
Yeah, and sure. There's really three important criteria. The first is quality business, which to us means understandable, business that has competitive advantage, and business that has pricing power. The second criteria is very strong and durable financials. And by that we mean growing free cash flow, high returns on invested capital, high returns on equity, high returns on tangible assets. And in addition to that, we're very debt adverse. We're looking for low levels of debt and very high coverage ratios. The third quality criteria is a proven management team. And here we're looking for honest and ethical people focused on growing shareholders' capital long term.
Let me take the next few moments to describe to you our three mutual fund offerings, starting with the FAM Dividend Focus Fund. This strategy, which has been in existence for 25 years, seeks growing dividend positions that have solid fundamentals, similar to what Bill just described, and strong free cash flow. What's differentiated about this fund is that it is in a mid-cap space, which means you can get total return out of a differentiated solution that provides income as well as appreciation for the long term. Our second strategy is our small cap fund. The small cap fund is unique because it has a smaller capitalization than most of our peer group. We're choosing our best in class ideas from the Russell 2000 and weeding out all of the speculative companies that don't fit our quality criteria. And lastly, the value fund. The value fund is our legacy strategy established in 1987 and has withstood multiple market cycles, creating downside protection so that you can have the long-term appreciation with a lower risk profile. So Bill, before we leave Cooperstown, New York and head out to Las Vegas, could you explain again what Fenimore means to our investors?
Yes, Ann, our goal is to provide the advisor with a portfolio of high-quality stocks. It'll be a concentrated portfolio in all likelihood, somewhere between 20 and 30 holdings. The portfolio generally be low in turnover. It will display, it's not the index, it'll be very high active share and will in all likelihood display very, very positive risk-reward characteristics.
And that's why we wish to have you join us in our booth to talk more about FAM funds and Fenimore Asset Management. Thanks so much.